Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how can you level up on Steam. So if I head over here to my profile, you'll see that I have level 8. Although that's not big of a number in terms of level, it's like I've seen a lot of people who has level 25 or something even greater on their levels. There are so many of you there that's like level 0 or level 1. So how do you get out of that? How do you level up from that? Alright, so the first thing that I want to tell you guys is that you need to earn badges. And earning badges means you need to... Alright, like I said, in order to earn XP over here, as you can see, I need 80 XP to reach level 9. I need to earn badges. And in order to earn badges, I need to finish certain tasks or achievements by playing games. Yes, as you can see here, you see these cards. These are what, if we complete it, this is what we call booster packs. Booster packs help you gain more XP and can even use it as an investment and sell it for a really good price. Although not as good of a price compared to CS skins, right? But if you look here, if I check over the badges that I have here Sharp Eye Stockpiler, Community Veteran, Years of Service, Steam Replay, Gem Maker, and below all of these badges are certain XPs that you can get when achieving this. For Years of Service, this could be easy, but it's like patience. You need to wait. You need to keep using your Steam account for a long time in order to get this years of service. There are others who get larger than just 4 and get more XP than just 200 XP. And this one is a Sharp Eye Stockpiler. This one you can get by buying games. Basically, if you click on it, you see that I own games. And if you want to earn lots of XP, then I suggest you take part in sales, because that's like this one here, special offers, buy games. It's like the best ever chance you have at buying a game that you like at a very cheap price. As you can see, look at this one, 80% discount. So if you want to earn XP and earn Steam points, buy games. It's easy. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.